Wanted to reduce turnover and have employees actually enjoy their work? Sounds crazy, but stop treating them like worker bees and start building a culture where people want to stay. Key elements of a good work culture include 1. Respect and trust. No one likes being micromanaged. Trust employees to do their jobs and they'll show mutual respect. 2. Opportunities for growth. People want to progress. If they don't see a future with you, they'll find one somewhere else. And critically, number 3 is a positive outlook in leadership. Toxic workplaces lead to high turnover. Build culture on transparency, support, and collaboration. Workplaces people enjoy aren't about gimmicks. They're about respect, growth, and leadership. Unfortunately, it's easier said than done. I2C from VERT can be a great place to start. Subscribe for more.